Informatividad. Ney, Arana Huevo, Manuel Andrés. Keire, Sport Trading, Y Level Equivalence. Course 1A. Teacher, Yamile Vela, Viva. Master, English. Topic, Connectors. Connectors are words or groups of words main function will establish some kind of relationship between the sentence that they are part of a text depending on the type of connection we use. We will give a certain meaning to words, that is, if we change the connection, we will give it a totally different meaning. Importance. Hill structure, a written or spoken speech, is vital for you read or listen. Times. Cooperative connection. They have the function of joining two events. These events do not have to always be at the same grammatical level, but one must be subordinate to another. Example: and is not only, but also, no solo, si también, not only, but also will, no solo si, sino también, but and, tanto como, not sure, tan, apenas cuando. Adjective connection. They serve to give one or more alternatives to the idea proposed by the previous sentence. Example: or is or age or old or nature, nor, no, ni, witcher or si or health o si no ways. De otro modo, chip continue conditional connection. They serve to express a condition. They are used to avoid two ideas in should avoid that one depends on the satisfying result or not of the other. Example: if, whicher, si, unless, a menos que, provided, as long as, siempre que, mientras, en caso de que. Consecutive connection. They serve to express an objective to the main idea of the sentence. Normally, this objective is presented as a negative event to the positive event expressed by the main sentence. Example: although two events show, aunque, even if, incluso que, incluso si, no even if, ni siquiera si, despite, in spite of, a pesar de, regardless of, sin importar. adversary connection. They serve to difficulty to the situations present above. Says adversary connection in English might present a specific problem or a different alternative to the initial one. Example: but, pero, however, sin embargo, nonetheless, nevertheless, sin embargo, yet, even so, aún así, sin embargo, still, sin embargo, instead, en su lugar, en lugar de ello, will, mientras que, on the contrary, por lo contrario, on the other hand, por otro lado, in other match, por otro lado, nor, ni, notwithstanding, a pesar de que. Causal connection. They are used to give the reason to a fact. In the vast majority of cases, the main sentence explains an event cause be the result of the secondary sentence. Example: because, porque, because of, a debido a, for, porque, since, puesto que, as, puesto que, due to, owing to, debido a, in order to, para, con tal de, by means of, por medio de, for lack of, por falta de. Thank you, teacher. Thank you.